We have the Walmart special DYMO Letratag 100H label maker. I already took one back. It was a Bluetooth one. It was a really great idea, but it wouldn't print. This is everything it came with out of the box. You got this here. You got the main item. And it looks like there's a printer roll in here. That's it. No USB cables. No anything. It almost looks like... should have read the specs. Doesn't seem to have any kind of input device, so you're probably going to need batteries. And I know I have some batteries, and then we'll have to figure out how to put that in. It looks like it takes 4 AA's. I'm not going to bore you with the installation process of that. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, I got something. Oh, it's one of them terrible. This thing's old school. Can't even see the screen, really. Or maybe them batteries are just that bad. I guess they assume you'll be looking down at it. But anyway, loading the cartridge doesn't look like it could be much simpler. I think you just snap it in there. Let me just type in A, B, C, D. Okay. I typed in A, B, C, D. I'm gonna hit print. Fancy comes out the side. And there you go. I'm sure there's all kinds of other little fonts and stuff you could use, but that's basically it. It's a 1/2-inch tape by 13 feet. I think that was about 12 bucks or something. Maybe it was $9. So each one is 37 millimeters right out of the box. 4 meters long. So 4,000 millimeters divided by 37 millimeters. You get about 108 of these labels at default setting right out of the box. And like I said, this pack here, 1/2 inch by 13 foot or 12 millimeters by 4 meters, I think was about 10 bucks. So, what is that? I don't know, do the math, a dime a liter. So not trying to get you to buy one of these, but just in case you did buy one, that's what you're getting. I appreciate when people do these kind of videos. This is what you're getting. It takes batteries, 10 bucks for a refill. You can probably get some other aftermarket online somewhere cheaper, AliExpress or somewhere. And no USB at all or any other kind of DC power jack that I see. And old school, what do they call that? Liquid crystal screen. But it works.